Visiting a friend. Hello everyone. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I want to talk about something that always makes me happy. Visiting a friend. Friends make our lives brighter. They make us laugh, support us during difficult times, and share our happiest moments. Spending time with a good friend is one of the best ways to relax and enjoy life. A few days ago, I decided to visit one of my friends. We had been busy with work and other responsibilities, so we hadn't seen each other for quite a while. We talked on the phone from time to time, but meeting in person is always more enjoyable. Before leaving home, I called my friend to make sure it was a good time to visit. "Of course," my friend said. "I've been waiting to see you." That made me smile. I got ready, picked up a small box of sweets, and started my journey. On the way, I noticed how busy the streets were. People were shopping, children were playing in the park, and families were enjoying their day. It was nice to see so many people outside. Soon I arrived at my friend's house. As soon as the door opened, we greeted each other with big smiles. "It's so good to see you," my friend said. "It's great to see you too," I replied. Sometimes you don't realize how much you've missed someone until you meet them again. After coming inside, we sat in the living room and started talking. We talked about work. We talked about family. We talked about our hobbies. We even laughed about funny memories from the past. Time seemed to pass very quickly. My friend offered me a cup of tea and some snacks. We enjoyed them while continuing our conversation. One of the best things about visiting a good friend is that you don't need to pretend to be someone else. You can be yourself. You can speak openly. You can laugh freely. That makes true friendship so special. After some time, we looked through old photographs on our phones. Each picture reminded us of a different memory. We remembered trips we had taken together, birthday celebrations, funny mistakes, and moments that made us laugh until our stomachs hurt. Looking at those memories reminded us how quickly time passes. We also talked about our future plans. We shared our dreams and goals. We encouraged each other to keep working hard and never give up. A good friend doesn't only celebrate your success. A good friend also believes in you when you begin to doubt yourself. Later, we decided to go for a short walk in the neighborhood. The weather was pleasant. We walked slowly, talked about everyday life, and enjoyed the fresh air. Sometimes the simplest activities become the most enjoyable when you are with good company. As the evening arrived, it was time for me to go home. Before leaving, my friend said, "Let's not wait so long before we meet again." I smiled and agreed. Life can become very busy. We often spend so much time working, studying, or using our phones that we forget to spend time with the people who matter most. That visit reminded me how important friendship really is. You don't need expensive gifts or fancy restaurants to enjoy time with a friend. Simple visit, a warm conversation, cup of tea, and a few laughs together can create wonderful memories. Friendship grows stronger when we make time for each other. Even a short visit can brighten someone's day. So, if you have been thinking about visiting a friend, maybe this is the perfect time. Pick up your phone. Send a message, make a plan, and enjoy spending time together. Life becomes much more meaningful when we share it with the people we care about. Now I'd like to ask you a few questions. When was the last time you visited a friend? Who do you enjoy spending time with the most? What do you usually do when you visit a friend? Do you prefer meeting at home or going out together? And what is your favorite memory with a close friend? Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's commentary. Remember to make time for your friends, enjoy every conversation, and create beautiful memories together. Take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.